stage. You gotta get him.
I don't care about these shoes.
Nigga.
What these shoes, bro?
Hey, niggas.
I hope he don't sue. Like, my life will be over. Oh, hey. Get the car.
I already did. We have the Zulu warrior in his natural habitat. Oh shit!
Look out. Isaiah, please don't fall. Because I'm recording you. And if... I want to take a picture of the snake.
Oh, I got cramp. Oh!
Oh, that's not it. I got it. I got it.
Hey, all these rocks are slippery, bro.
Duh.
They're in water.
Come on now.
I went to Line Creek Drive. Decided to be adventurous. Came out wet. Leave me alone.
So simple. I just fucked 2 bitches before I saw you.
She never want to
have to do it all the time.
To go out. Yo, Jordan must be having something at his house. Cause it's like a whole bunch of cars. What is Jordan them doing? Somebody's birthday? All them cars. But yeah, I'm about to head out. It is on fleek, man. It's really hot out here. Like, yeah, this is a perfect day for a pool party because it is blazing. Blazing. But I got some crackers, you know, because I was slick hungry. But I ate some fries at work. That's all I ate, like, because I don't eat a lot. But yeah, I got some crackers. I'm waiting, and I got the remote to the truck in my hand. Hold on. Come on. I do? My earrings fell out at work. Yeah, when I was buying food, that's why. It's static. I texted her.
She probably still looking at that video. I just lady throwing her baby.
Ooh.
19-year-old day.
I got it.
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jalen. Happy birthday to you. Woo! What? Wow. Vlogging, waiting on your ride. So like it kind of sucks not having a lot of female friends, like, honestly, because when you come to a party, it's just gonna be you, and like, you know, so you need that female factor, and I do not have that, and it's really sad. Hashtag friend for Jazz. We are in Atlantic Station. So today I'm on my way to yet another birthday celebration, but this one is a / going away party. So yeah, shout out to Kalia. Feeling feeling the whole mauve pink theme today. So that's what we got going on. It looks alright. Ain't nothing major going on with my eyes or my face makeup because it's slick hot out here. Ain't nobody got time to be sweating off. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit.
She is so freaking beautiful.
Okay, so let's tell you a story.
She is so gorgeous. Oh my god. Here goes the popcorn. Rico.
Can I put the salt and pepper, Matt?
Rico. Lord have mercy.
Just wow, Isaiah, wow, this light looks really nice. What is up with all these roaches?
Sahara Hookah Lounge. Where is that at? That light is popping.
Oh no.
Hey, Zay. Shit, my bad.